How to remove a subject. Removing subject, you can use addendum or subject removal form, or some brokerage have waiver form for removing subject. Just copy and paste your subjects from the CPS into the addendum. For example, you can copy and paste everything and write on the top, the buyer hereby agreed to remove the following subjects. And at the bottom, you should say all other terms remain the same, time is of the essence. Make sure your addendum or subject removal form have the date of the CPS and also have the date when you signed the subject removal. And make sure you only remove the subjects and not the conditions. Do not mix up with term and conditions. If you remove the conditions, then the seller will not be obligated to fulfill the conditions during the transaction.